Hey, this is Kel Esteban and welcome back to Off the Grid Outtakes, the series where we unbox and review camping and overlanding gear you didn't even know you needed. Until now. And today's spotlight, a slick little powerhouse that's ready to light up your adventures, like literally. This is the Outask Telescopic Lantern sent over by our friends at Outask Philippines. Big thanks to the team for the gear. Right off the bat, clean packaging, no fluff, no gimmicks, just functional and well built, exactly what you want when you're out in the wild. We've got the user manual, which, let's be honest, we'll only read if something goes wrong, right? Since we're not living in 2014 anymore, USB-C charging cable. They've also included one glow-in-the-dark sticker and 3 reflective stickers typically in silver, green, and orange colors. Also in the box is a wrist strap and 3 titanium ground stakes. And of course, the star of the show, the Outask Telescopic Lantern. It's got some weight to it, in a good way. Solid build, no cheap plastic vibes. Last but not the least, let's add a Helvetica sticker to our Outask. Big thanks to Helvetica/Outask Philippines for sending this over for review. Now here where it gets fun, this thing telescopes. Want soft ambient light? Keep it compact. Need full power at the campsite? Pull it up for 360 illumination. Multiple brightness levels, low, mid, and hey yo, I can see the trees across the river mode. SOS mode is built in too, handy for emergencies or if you just want to signal your friends from across the trail. Magnetic base, slap it on your car, tent frame, or even your camping table, then flip it over dramatically when you realize you forgot your butane and can't cook. And by the way, Outask is available in desert yellow, army green, and gray. Just got back from our overlanding trip in Tarlac. Final thoughts? This lantern punches above its weight. It is compact, rugged, bright, and just plain smart. Whether you're out camping, overlanding, or just need a solid emergency light, this thing's got your back. Massive shout out to Outask Philippines for hooking us up. And if you want one for your own setup, hit link in the description box below. And until the next Off the Grid Outtakes gear reviews, I'll catch you in the next one. Sumayo nawa ang kapayapaan. Peace.